Hi! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, gagawa ako ng collective haul kasi napansin ko medyo marami-rami ako na-accumulate na bagay-bagay for this month. And if you watch my daily vlogs, then you would have seen this like on different days. Pero I decided to do a one video showing all the things that I got for this month, whether binigay or binili ko. So, let's begin! Okay, first off, I'm gonna show you yung napalanunan ko sa giveaway ni Sis Jen. Meron siyang channel. I'll put the link down below. I won this Mary Kay makeup bag, makeup kit. So, ito, detachable siya. And then here, meron din nga pala siyang brushes. Hindi ko pa sila nagagamit kasi yung mga brushes ko, ang dami ko pa dapat hugasan. And then, she also gave me a sample of the Mary Kay Time-Wise Microdermabrasion Refine Cherva. So, ito yung parang facial wash. Tapos, dito yung pore minimizer. And, nanalo din nga pala ako ng Mary Kay Time-Wise matte foundation. Nakalimutan ko isama. But, yeah. Hindi ko rin siya nagawa ng proper review sa vlog lang kasi nagmamadali ako. Anyway, and then let's proceed to the things that I got from SM. First of all is this jogger pants na hindi ko pa nasusuot. Ayun pa yung tag niya. Kakakuha ko lang nito few days ago. I'll try to insert a video sa vlog ko nung sinukat ko to sa fitting room. I love it kasi sakto lang sa akin yung length at saka yung size. Okay siya. Pero hindi siya fit na fit sa legs. And this is from the brand Red Girl. Sa loob lang to ng SM Department Store. And meron silang 10% off noong time na yon. This is $8.50. So, minus 85. Then, I bought ito yung matagal ko na lang hinahanap to, yung Kojisan na Dream White Face Cream and Moisturizer. Ito yung ginagamit ko ngayong moisturizer at night. And then, since wala na akong toner, I also got the toner from Kojisan. Cleanser plus toner. Oh, dual action. Meron siyang menthol, kaya pag pinapahid sa mukha, malamig. So, yun ang nagustuhan ko dito. Ito naman, hindi siya ganun ka-sticky sa face, although mas non-sticky talaga yung Celetec kasi yun yung water-based. This one, parang hindi ko sure kung water-based. I don't think kasi cream siya eh. So, pero hindi siya malagkit. And then, this Everbilena matte lipstick. I got it in the shade Toast of New Year. I don't think makikita nyo. Pero I did a review on this. I'll put the link down below. Ito yung color niya. So, brown, reddish brown yung shade. Next are two items na hindi ko pa siya gagawa ko ng review pero hindi ko pa nasisimulan. The Bobby Cosmetics concealer in number 2 ang kinuha ko. And Glamworks BB Stick in the shade Natural Beige. Kasi yung isa doon ivory. Eh, hindi naman ako ganun kaputi. And then, I got 2 nail polishes from Sassy. Itong Ice Mint, ito yung gamit ko ngayon. Yeah, I love it. And the other one is ano nga to? Touch of Beige, which is yung gamit ko sa paa ko, pero ang pangit naman, angat yung paa ko dito. And then I also got the Asian Secrets Lulur Indonesian Whitening Body Scrub. Ang kinuha kong scent is yung with licorice and mulberry leaf extract. Sakit ang singaw ko, I'm sorry. Ganito siya. I don't think you can see. Ayan. I use it every other day. So, in-scrub ko muna siya sa arms and legs ko while dry. And then, pinapatuyo ko mga 5 minutes. And then, saka ako magsha-shower. That is suggested by Sismer. Hi, Sismer. And then, meron akong tita na bumalik from, parang balikbayan from US. And, I got a few things. Merong brand new, merong isa lang pala. Ito yung isa gamit na, but still in very good condition. It's a leather bag from, what brand is this? I don't even know. B. Makowski. I don't know what the brand is that. Pero, yan. body bag or sling bag. Dami sasakyan. And then another bag from Calvin Klein. Yan, and then meron siyang pouch. I love it. Yun nga lang, dumihin, pero okay lang. And then she also got actually ang dami niyang binili na ganito. Bath and Body Works Japanese Cherry Blossom na body cream. I love the scent. Alam ko na yung amoy nito. Matagal ko nang... I mean, pag pumunta ka ng Bath and Body Works sa Singapore. But I don't buy it for myself. Pero ngayon na binigay sa akin, parang nare-realize ko, ba't ba hindi ako bumibili nito before? Ang bango niya. So, I'm planning to get the spray din pagbalik ko dun. And then, she also gave me the Mary Kay cream lipstick. I also did a review on this. I'll put the link below. Everything, I will put the link down below. Sana lang hindi ko makalimutan. It's in the shade of Pink Melon. So, yan siya. There you go. And, I also got the perfume. So, ano lang, pocket size. Travel size. This is Calvin Klein Endless Euphoria. And I love the scent. And last but not the least, ito na pala. She also gave me brushes na hindi niya daw nagagamit. This is from Estee Lauder. Ay, binigyan niya rin pala ako ng makeup, parang makeup bag na malaki. Makeup brushes from Estee. Malikabok pa kasi hindi niya nagagamit. So, kailangan hugasan to. And that's it, guys. Ito lang yung mga medyo... Feeling ko konti lang siya sa video, pero pag tinignan ko siya, parang ang dami niya. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!